Hey guys, it's Corey with Buying Houses Nashville. We just got done with a closing here, and we are with Karen and Tim. And we got done with this closing this morning, and I just wanted to tell you guys congratulations on the sale of your home. On this one, I think this was a pretty quick closing. How fast did we go from contract to close? Was it 2 weeks or less than 2 weeks?
It was
2 weeks. Yep.
Yep.
Okay, all right. Did you guys have a good experience working with us?
We had a great experience.
Okay. Was there anything that stood out to you that you especially liked about working with us?
Yes. Most people in my position, I think people don't look at them as with respect. And you totally gave me all the respect as a normal, person selling a home in a normal fashion. And you treated me with a lot of respect, and I appreciate it.
Oh, good. I'm glad to hear that. Would you guys recommend us to your friends or family or anyone else?
Absolutely.
Well, congratulations.
100%.
Glad to hear that. Congratulations on the sale of your home. Take a deep breath. You can relax. Go get some Cracker Barrel or something to eat, and wish you guys the best.
Thank you.